Stop overpaying for police car camera systems. The DC7 is the ultimate police car camera system. Our DC7 system has two cameras, a front and a rear camera. The DC7 police in-car camera system uses the latest advanced technology, exclusively designed for law enforcement agencies. Our police dash camera system is engineered for ease of use for the officers. The video system consists of a touchscreen, DVR, and small cameras for the vehicle. The video files can be moved via USB thumb drive or automatic wireless video uploading from the car to the computer at your headquarters. The DC7 can wirelessly upload video upon returning to the police station server or computer. As the vehicle returns to the station, the DC7 will automatically upload its video and shut itself off without the officer's intervention. This unit has an easy officer interfacing touchscreen. Buy the DC7 police in-car camera system now on martelelectronics.com.